fries, them could have fried some more. Now I get tired of people there. Them all for me. Shut him out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we are leaving Jersey. Yeah, we're leaving Jersey for a while. Let me add that in. And we are actually heading to New York. So I'm gonna take you on the road with me. It's not gonna be much. I'm just gonna be like giving you, I guess we're gonna be sight viewing because I'm just one straight drive. Literally, my bags are packed and ready. I'm just shuffling around. I'm ready. May I shuffle around a little bit, but time to move to a next state. That might come off a bit. Time to visit a next state, yeah, for a few. New York is gonna be a very short trip, but I'm still going to try to get like some clips for you guys. But that's it for now. While we wait on our drive, I guess you can put it that way. I'm gonna wait on my friend, because friend probably watch this, yeah. I'm waiting on my friend to come and get me. Let's put it that way. Because I no longer said drive and then, yeah, thank you. But come along. Hope you enjoy, you know, the journey in this video, all that it has in store for you. Yeah, we're just in our traveling area and we're enjoying it. So we're taking you along. Okay. It's the day that the Lord has made. Just a quick little video, because basically all you would have been seeing is singing views. As I expressed, it was a very short ride, less than an hour, and we're here and we're pretty much not gonna do no than just eat some food and lie down. It is early, it's like 8 o'clock, but that's what we're doing. I am here safe and sound at my uncle, and then tomorrow we're going again with some more cousins and stuff. So we're in New York. We're doing New York visits now. So, but yes, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. Guys, morning. We're on our way to the store. What's the matter? It's cold. Just left brunching. Don't know where I'm going now, but yeah. This one I bet you me I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. Ride the whip, I know it.
I know feel die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do, I'm plenty, so far, baby.
Yes, guys. I bring some candy for the kids because why not? I'm Desiree, right? If you never see the dressing on my Avan one long leather dress, go way down a way, one tights, one socks, my Crocs. This is not good, but you know, we're doing it. Now I drop by my cousin, because tomorrow we're going to Connecticut. You see how quick we just come in New York, gone. We left New York. New York was for shopping. We still gotta do more shopping, but yeah, New York was for shopping. Yeah. Spent a bag. Way too much of a bag woman now, but yeah.
You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Popo. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? What they check if my cat be no wrong. But it they rush, well, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. You can't more, you be touch. Yeah, it they rush, well, it be much. You be hype, everybody be close. Go down, you be done. You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I dey. You never take my cake away. I dey. You can't count my grace. I just dey my lane. You no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like Popoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? You want to check if my daddy.
Hi guys, so we are in the bushes. Bush. Well, you can bush. Taking a walk through the forest, as they would put it. No. As a Kingstonian, this is very. But we're doing it. So we're going on an adventure from to where? I don't know. I like this bush. So we're going to a river. Apparently there's a river somewhere over here. Guys, this is the river.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
You are just walking the land. Nobody will know you are lying.
Guy over here is so pretty. But I feel like no one lie.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone.
I wait for you to come to me. I'm holding on. No matter what what the story reads. The binding has been done.
Guys, can't see. Look at it. That is the Nike line. Okay, I'm not gonna see. Come here, want me to people them, but the line. We've been here for like maybe 4 hours. The line now move. To get longer. Yeah. Now I get tired of people then. Why you do it? Alright guys, so I mean the day's pretty much over now. We went shopping, we got stuff from Old Navy and yeah. Wait, no, not Old Navy. Tommy Hilfiger and yeah. Yeah, it was a good day. Yeah, I had wings just now. They were yeah, the wings are really good. I'm gonna show you guys the place that I came to. It's just like a little fast food place. Still here, by the way. With chips. The fries, them could have fried some more, but the wings were really good. Let me tell you, I'm gonna buy some more for home, and their salad too is excellent too because the person that we came in they bought salad. But yeah, we're gonna go to a Jamaican store and then we're going back home because it's been a long day, and yeah, all type of ache, foot ache, back ache. So I come go yard. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You'll be seeing like clips of me at the Jamaican store, me and my cousin, or maybe just me, but yeah, you'll see clips. But I don't think I'll be saying much anymore. You'll be seeing clips of us at the store and going home. I'm gonna show you like where I am right now and the area. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoying the shopping vlog. Yeah, Black Friday vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, that's basically it. We're charging the phone, so we're gonna leave it to get some juice. Because it just died all of a sudden. We're like, content. Yeah. So went for the charger, set up, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Oh, you guys didn't see my feet, but I'm in a black joggers, like a regular black joggers. The same one that you guys are gonna see in the haul video from Shein, the Shein black joggers. Yeah, I'm in that and Scooby-Doo. You guys should have seen it. No, you guys didn't see the Scooby-Doo. I think about the Scooby-Doo after, but yeah, here's the Scooby-Doo. Am I looking for me? But yeah, here's Scooby-Doo. But yes, guys, time to talk. I'm out. I had a great time. Yeah.
No need to pay the price. I live away for life. For you, I'll give it all. Forever, I'll wait for you to come to me. I'm holding on. No matter what the story reads, the binding has been done. No need to pay the price. Call on me and everything, the answers will be there. Solemnly, your love I keep from dangers everywhere. I'll wait for you to come to me. I'll wait for you to come to me. I'm holding on. No matter what the story reads, the binding has been done. No need to pay the price. I live away for life. For you I give it all. Forever, forever.
Yeah, what is that?
I'm gonna give him full money, £7.50 pound over. What a brother! Shut him out. Half of that, Mama. Half of that.